Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Judge.me product reviews, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin registering with Judge.me for product reviews, open your web browser. Navigate to the Judge.me website. Look for the Get Started button on the home page and click on it. You will be directed to a sign up page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Create a secure password that meets the requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again in the next field. Click on the Sign Up button to proceed. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Judge.me. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. Once confirmed, return to the Judge.me website. Log in using your registered email and password. After logging in, select the type of store you have from the options available. If applicable, connect your e-commerce platform by For Shopify users, install the Judge.me app from the Shopify App Store. For WooCommerce users, follow the integration instructions for WordPress. After installation, customize your review settings according to your preferences. You can choose options like email notifications and review request timing. Save your settings to ensure they are applied. Upload your product listings to start collecting reviews. Encourage your customers to leave feedback after their purchases. Monitor incoming reviews through your Judge.me dashboard. Manage and respond to reviews to engage with your customers effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.